guys, so today is just a short unboxing for some photo cards I bought from a seller on YouTube. I'll have her channel linked below. She's really nice, and I am going to unbox what I bought from her now, so I'll just get started. So from her I ordered the EXO fortune cookie card set. I'm horrible at remembering names, but it's the Kpop fortune cookie card set. So yeah. Oh, she also gave me some freebies, which is really nice, and a little note. So she requested for me to do a separate unboxing for this, so to help her with something, and yeah, it's really nice of her. Thank you. So first I'll show you the freebies. Okay, so Chanyeol, Kai, Suho, Baekhyun, and Dio. So yeah, those were the freebies. Thank you very much. Very nice. And then finally onto the main item. So this is what the packaging looks like. Okay, so it comes in a set of 10, I believe. So first is Xiumin, then Tao, Lei, EXO, Tio, Suho, Kai, Baekhyun, Sehun, Chanyeol, and yeah, so that was the set. That was the unboxing. Thank you for selling me these cards. I will definitely buy again from you in the future, and I recommend everyone to go check her out because she has some pretty good stuff selling. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye. Yeah.